Potential Tech Tip Tuesday. Come on in here, get in close.
All right.
All right, so when you're on the last step of packing a parachute, Kevin Smith taught me this. You put the parachute in, or the release cable. So now, this cable right here, right? This loop is attached to the bag permanently, right? So if you wear this loop out, you gotta change the bag or have someone sew one in, which I don't think keeps it SFI legal. So what you do is you put in the release cable like that, then you loop your shoelace around the cable, and then when you pull it out, it's actually sliding around the cable versus fraying the end of your loop. You always go opposite of your cable side first. Do the other side. Pull it over. Makes it easier to get your cable in. So you put the cable end in, open it up like that, and then loop this around. Give it one little snatch, and now it's on the back side of the cable. It rides on the cable versus just fraying the heck out of this, and it'll just slide right out. Won't damage your loop. These loops get frayed all the time. In fact, the one on Ruby is completely frayed. It's actually broke because Jack Sand doesn't know about that Tech Tip Tuesday. Now he knows about Tech Tip
Now he
Tuesday.
knows.
He's acting like he don't know about that Tech Tip Tuesday. Now he knows. Save your parachute, bag loop. Tech Tip Tuesday, we'll see you later.